Although many individuals have heard of cabbage, it remains one of the lesser consumed vegetables. Vegetables such as kale, spinach, and romaine lettuce, among others, are often chosen before cabbage. Those leafy green vegetables are very healthy, but cabbage is beginning to be viewed as a superfood in its own right, due to its health-promoting abilities. Now, let's discuss some of the amazing health benefits of consuming all varieties of cabbage. First, cabbage is incredibly nutrient-dense and very low in calories. It is packed with many important vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients. Cabbage is an amazing source of vitamin K and vitamin C, as well as folate, manganese, vitamin B6, and thiamin. Cabbage is also a good source of dietary fiber, polyphenol antioxidants, and even sulfur compounds. If you are looking to improve digestion, then cabbage can be very helpful in this regard. Cabbage is an excellent source of insoluble fiber, which can promote regularity, add bulk, and cleanse the digestive system. As well, cabbage can help good bacteria in the gut to thrive, since the insoluble fiber found in it feeds beneficial bacteria, acting as a fuel source. Cabbage is also very heart healthy and can reduce many risk factors associated with heart disease. Studies have shown that consuming cabbage regularly can help to lower and regulate blood pressure levels while also promoting the health of our blood vessels. As well, cabbage contains compounds that can help to lower bad LDL cholesterol, which are soluble fiber and plant sterols. Cabbage, especially red varieties, can help to reduce inflammation that can damage the cardiovascular system. Cabbage can also help to reduce inflammation throughout the entire body. This is also true for chronic inflammation. Studies have shown that cabbage has tremendous anti-inflammatory properties. It contains sulforaphane, which provides potent anti-inflammatory benefits. A compound known as glutamine and its high levels of antioxidants can also help to reduce inflammation as well as relieve joint pain. Lastly, consuming cabbage regularly can help to reduce the risk of certain types of cancer and may have anti-cancer properties. This is attributed to the high content of glucosinolates and anti-carcinogenic properties that cabbage contains, as well as its high levels of nutrition, anti-inflammatory compounds, and antioxidants. This allows cabbage to help with the elimination of free radicals, toxins, and waste from the body. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, and share. If you would like to hear about more healthy foods and food and beauty tips, please subscribe to the channel. Have a great and healthy day.